Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculating money supply aggregates like M1 and M2 is actually super simple if you know which financial assets to include in your total sum today. First, we calculate M1 by adding currency in circulation, which is 700 million, to checkable deposits of 300 million. This gives us a total M1 of 1,000 million. Next, we find M2 by taking that M1 total and adding savings deposits of 388 million plus money market funds of 55 million. That equals 1,443 million. Stocks and real estate are never included in money supply measures. Since our totals match perfectly, option B is the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and check steps to trust the given data for success.